came the angel of Excel. I wasn't quite sure if he was from heaven or from hell. He said, let me teach you a thing or two. This might be the smartest thing you ever do. Right click the ribbon, click, customize the ribbon, and click quick access toolbar. From the drop down, choose all commands so you can see everything Excel can do. You should add whatever you do most. That's different for everybody. If you want an easier list to pick from in the drop down, choose the tabs you actually use. For example, select the insert tab, find pivot table, then click add. Another one I like is from pivot table tools, select refresh, then add. From the all commands list I recommend values, paste values, formulas, paste formulas. You can remove the ones you don't use when you're done. Click OK. Or the fastest way to do this, find a tool on the ribbon and right click the ones you want, then click add to the quick access toolbar. Here's an example. Click on the data tab. I like sort A to Z or sort Z to A. Here's the most amazing part. Each tool now gets a number from left to right. Those numbers are your new keyboard shortcuts in this example. Alt plus 1 equals insert pivot table. Alt plus 2 equals refresh pivot table. Alt plus 3 equals pass values. Alt plus 4 equals paste formulas. Alt plus 5 equals sort A to Z. Alt plus 6 equals sort Z to A. Lesson over.
He asked, one more thing before I go. The Powerball numbers. Please let me know.
A voice boomed loud, so much for him. A trap door